Hello everyone and welcome to this video on how to use artificial intelligence, AI, for image and video recognition. In this video, we will explore the world of computer vision and discuss how AI can be used to analyze images and videos in real time. What is image and video recognition? Image and video recognition refer to the ability of a computer to identify and classify objects, people, and actions in an image or video. In the past, image and video recognition were performed manually. But with the advancements in AI technology, it can be done in real time by training deep learning models. How does image and video recognition work? AI models use a process called deep learning, which involves training a neural network to recognize patterns in images or videos. The neural network is trained on a large dataset of images and videos with labels that correspond to the objects or actions in the scene. The model then learns to recognize these patterns and can use this knowledge to identify objects or actions in new images or videos. Applications of image and video recognition. There are many applications of image and video recognition. For example, it can be used in security and surveillance systems to detect suspicious activity or identify individuals. It can also be used in self-driving cars to detect and avoid obstacles, or in healthcare to detect and diagnose medical conditions. Tools for image and video recognition. There are many tools and libraries available for image and video recognition. One of the most popular libraries is TensorFlow, which is an open-source software library for data flow and differentiable programming across a range of tasks. TensorFlow provides a high-level API for image and video recognition, which makes it easy to build and train deep learning models. Another popular tool is OpenCV, which is a library of programming functions mainly aimed at real-time computer vision. It includes many algorithms for image and video processing and has a wide range of applications. Steps for image and video recognition. Now, let's discuss the steps involved in image and video recognition. Step 1. Collect and label the data. The first step is to collect a large dataset of images and videos that represent the objects or actions you want to recognize. The dataset should be labeled with the correct object or action in each image or video. Step 2. Pre-process the data. The data needs to be pre-processed before it can be used for training. This may involve resizing the images or videos, normalizing the pixel values, or performing other data augmentation techniques. Step 3. Train the model. Once the data is pre-processed, the next step is to train the deep learning model. This involves setting up the neural network architecture and feeding the pre-processed data into the model. The model is trained by adjusting the weights of the neural network until it accurately recognizes the objects or actions in the images or videos. Step 4. Test the model. After training the model, it is important to test it on a set of validation data that the model has never seen before. This will help to evaluate the performance of the model and ensure that it is not overfitting to the training data. Step 5. Deploy the model. Once the model is trained and tested, it can be deployed for real-time image and video recognition. This may involve integrating the model into a mobile app or web application, or using it to analyze live video streams in real time. In conclusion, image and video recognition is a powerful application of AI technology that has many real-world applications. By following the steps we discussed, you can build and train your own deep learning models for image and video recognition. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.